Have many happy returns of the day. Happiest 40th birth anniversary. Love to Jesus.
Hello, Ham. How are you? Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy. How are you? How is Hazel?
Happy birthday, Raja. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Welcome to Chalis.
Happy birthday, Raja. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Raja Mama. Happy birthday, Raja Mama.
Enjoy. Lots of love to Hazel.
હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ હેમ અને અમેરિકામાં અમે સાથે રહ્યા અને જે એન્જોય કર્યું છે વી કેન નેવર ફોરગેટ ઇન ધ લાઈફ.
હેપી બર્થડે હેમ. તમારી સાથેના જે 4.5 મહિના યાદગાર ગાળ્યા એ તો લાઈફમાં ક્યારેય ભૂલાય એવા નથી. એમાં પણ બધા ગુજરાતી પિક્ચરો એક એક મેમરી યાદ આવે છે.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dude.
Happy birthday, him.
You are very good at your hospitality.
Superb.
And I remember that once you knew that I like dessert, you got me a whole big chocolate cake for me, which I couldn't finish till the end of my whole trip of US. So that was lovely gesture. And of course, yeah, you gave us good inspiration, for keeping up with the hiking. So yeah, well, we'll be doing soon together, hopefully. And all the best for your future.
Happy birthday, Ham. Wish you a happy 40th.
Wish you a very happy 40th.
Wish you a happy 40th.
Let's plan a cabo trip soon. We'll have lots of fun there.
मित्रों, भारत माता की जय. भाई और बहनों, आज मैं एक कहानी सुनाने जा रहा हूं. आज से 40 साल पहले 23 अप्रैल को एक पुरुष पैदा हुआ. वो पुरुष नहीं है, वो एक महापुरुष है. दोस्तों, आज मैं कहने जो जा रहा हूं, ये अकेला भारतवर्ष का संविधान ही नहीं, बल्कि 150 करोड़ लोग भारत के यही कह रहे हैं कि ये पुरुष जो अपने देश से, अपने माँ बाप से दूर जाके अमेरिका में बसा, उसकी आज 40वीं सालगिरह है. अभी आप इस पुरुष का गौर से चरित्र देखें तो इसकी 40वीं सालगिरह आने से पहले इसने अकेले चाइना को ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व को लॉकडाउन में डाला ताकि सब लोग घर पे रहें और बोलें हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. जय माता दी. मित्रों, भारत माता की जय.
Happy 40th birthday, honey. It's a big milestone, and I just want to wish you a lot of happiness today and beyond. I wish everything that you want, you can get, and you get the best health. And and I just hope that you don't have to work so hard like every day. At least today on your birthday, you get a break. One thing that this lockdown has kind of cleared in my mind is that you actually do work, like you really actually do work hard. I used to think that you go to work and pretty much play that pool or do time pass with your friends, and that is the reason that you have to stay late over there for longer hours, because then you catch up on your work after your friends are gone. So that doesn't seem like the reality. It looks like you actually know your stuff and you actually do work hard. Oh well, joke apart, I yeah, I hope that you don't have to work hard today.
Hey, happy 40th. Hope you're having a great 40th. I'm having good break. I was just kidding. Happy 40th, man. Hope you're having fun.
Shakal Sahib. Sit down, gentlemen. Sit down. शाकल साहब, हमें एक न्यूज देनी थी आपको. मैं जानता हूं.
We always knew you were a Shakal in disguise.
Happy birthday, Shakal se Shakal.
Hey, Hem. Happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Hem. Have
Yeah.
a wonderful day celebrating with the other two H's in your life.
Yes, yes. And we'll celebrate in style once the COVID scare is gone. And get ready for the wild 40s. They say 40s is the new 20s. So
Have fun.
have fun. Bye.
Bye.
And one thing that comes to my mind when I think about him anytime is this song Banda Ye Bindas Hai. I think that song is made for him. He's like super cool and chilled guy.
He's the most chillax guy ever. Always.
Happy birthday, Ham Kaka. Happy birthday, Ham Uncle. I've loved all the gifts that you've given me for my birthdays. And remember the time when we went to a restaurant and we told the waiter that it was your birthday, even though it wasn't, so that we could get free dessert?
Hi Ham, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. One quality of yours that I admire is how to stay calm in every situation. I've never seen you overreact or get overly excited. We need more people like you. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy birthday.
Hi Haim, wish you a wonderful 40th birthday.
Hi Haim, wishing you a very big 40th birthday. The fun thing I remember about Haim is back to 1025 University Avenue, apartment 72. Next day we had CP 151 exam and this guy comes and says, Padman, do you know this concept? I'm like, I don't care him. I just know that I have an idea about this and I just need to go solve. Basically I ratified and he's like sitting there trying to analyze what is the concept behind this transistor. He's too detail oriented guy. But that said, he's like that in everything, be it cooking, be it playing a sport. He has to strategize and do everything end to end, and then he like completely dives in it and he blows everybody away. Have a great birthday, him. Wishing you a lot more birthdays like this. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Ham Uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Ham, cheers on your 18th birthday with 22 years of experience. Enjoy.
So, Haim is one of the most sincere and meticulous people that I have pleasure of knowing. I first met him during undergrad at LD Engineering College. He was 1 year junior to me. And we met because of, I was involved in politics and so was he. And, we had very limited interaction. But the initial impression, his big eyes, I thought he was, very politically savvy and ambitious person. But as I came to know him over the years, I realized that he wasn't, just acting, being a sincere person, but he actually was and is a sincere person. And whether it's making a sandwich at an Intel cafeteria or talking about Israel and Palestine issues, one can't fail to notice his characteristic of being very particular, very meticulous. He always does his deep dive on any topic that interests him. He always takes his time and does the thing the right way. And he not only leaves a positive impression, but also inspire others to do the same. And by the way, his influence is beyond just making sandwiches. You can see my hairstyle. That's again influenced by him. So him, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. I wish you a lot more success in the second phase of your life. And I wish the best to Hiral, to Hazel, to your family and everyone. Happy birthday once again. Take care and enjoy. 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Happy 40th, Hem. Hope you are having great time with beautiful girls at home. This is the first time he wore this mask only for this video. Otherwise, he's not wearing it. Whenever I think something funny, or like suddenly I thought about it, it's like you can sleep anytime. Whenever you are in some party, you just doze off, like when you are bored. And I think it's a blessing. Only when you are not having tension, those kind of people can sleep anytime. One incident I think we had.
Yeah, this is before you got married and you came from your work and you said today the most funniest thing happened to me at work. We were like, what happened? He said, I was in this meeting with like bunch of people and it was getting boring and I dozed off.
And you used to wear glasses.
Yeah, you had glasses on and where you dozed off is you had your face against your hand like that, and then because the way you were dozing off, your finger was up. So the presenter thought you had a question and he asked, hey, what's your question? And you're like, what? And then your glasses fell across the room. So funny stuff.
Happy 40th, Haim. Welcome to the 40 Club. Hope you have a great day. Looking forward to opening this with you once this COVID thing resolves. Have a lot of great memories with you, but I cannot mention that publicly. So the publicly mentioned ones are the partnership we had in cricket last summer, where you scored a 80 and I scored a 50. So that's one of my very fond memories. So to many of those in the future and to more shikars. And Viraj, you want to say something to Uncle?
Happy birthday, Haim, Uncle!
Happy birthday, Haim!
Hemda, many happy returns of the day, man. Can't believe time flies, dude. I still remember my first drink, my first margarita. I came to your apartment and you made it. I think my first one and honestly the best one, dude. And lot of things. I still miss our tennis games. Unfortunately, your back and my back. We are getting old, that shows. But stay healthy, stay happy, and hope to send a similar message when you are turn 80. All right, once again, happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Haim. Enjoy your big 40. And for your birthday gift, you can maybe trade in your Acura and buy yourself a new car. How does that sound? And special message, I would have said keep calm and carry on, but you are calm.
You do that anyways.
You are always calm. Enjoy a big day. Bye.
Bye.
नमस्कार. हे ज्येष्ठ भ्राता हेम, आप जैसा महावीर महाज्ञानी पुरुष इस धरा पर कई सालों में एक बार जन्म लेता है. आपकी वीरता की मैं क्या बात करूं. गोलगट्टम लकड़बट्टम दे धनाधन प्रतियोगिता में जो शाकाल के नाम से फैली हुई है, आपके गंजे सर की चमक मात्र से सारे प्रतिद्वंदी ध्वंस हो जाते हैं. आपके ज्ञान की तो मैं क्या बात करूं, जिसकी कीर्ति उत्तर गुजरात के पाटन नगर के महाविश्वविद्यालय से लेकर उत्तर कैलिफोर्निया राज्य के सैक्रामेंटो नगर के महाविश्वविद्यालय तक फैली हुई है और आगे जाके पूरे उत्तर अमेरिका महाखंड में फैले, ऐसी हमारी आपसे ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. ऐसे महावीर महाज्ञानी पुरुष को उनके 40वें जन्म दिवस पर पूरे फॉल्सम परिवार की ओर से कोटि कोटि अभिनंदन.
Hey Ham, happy birthday, happy 40th. I have lots of and some of the very interesting story, about you, but I don't know whether it's the right place to share here. So we'll talk in person. Jalak.
Hi Ham, happy 40th birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day and also wishing you a very happy and healthy year and life ahead. Enjoy your day and year.
Happy birthday, Ham.
Happy birthday, Ham. Ham કાકા કહેવાનું.
હની મારા માટે છે ને જ્યારે તું એક ઢોસો બનાવે ને તો
4 વડકા ચટણી બનાવવાની. ઓકે, સંભાર સરસ સ્પાઈસી બને છે.
Hi, Haim. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday and hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hey Haim, wish you a very happy birthday. This will be a memorable one, 40th under lockdown. But once we are out, we need to celebrate that. One of the really good things I like about you is that you're really chill, very cool, never under any tension, always nice under pressure. So please keep that up. That's something I learned from you.
I think talking about funny things that I remember, I've heard that you make very good Maggie in pressure cooker, which takes about 1 hour. So I am very curious still after all this 15 years that we have known you to actually taste and see how that looks like.
Hi Hem, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May you have many, many more celebrations and have a wonderful day with family. Your little one who's so cute. I hope he will spoils you with lots of fun dishes.
That's I respect his dedication. અમે લોકો યુએસમાં હતા અને ત્યારે જે એક્સપિરિયન્સીસ કર્યા there are many, but one incident which I still remember, લાસ્ટ મોમેન્ટ પર મેં કીધું મારે પ્રોજેક્ટર બાય કરવું છે અને લેવું છે અને વી ચેક્ડ કે ભાઈ ક્યાંય અવેલેબલ નથી. ઇટ્સ ઓનલી વન સ્ટોર વિચ ઇઝ મે બી આઈ થિંક કદાચ બહુ દૂર હતો અને વી વર લાઈક રનિંગ રિયલી લેટ અને 5-10 મિનિટ જ બાકી હતી. હી સેડ કે ના પહોંચી જઈએ અને પહોંચી ગયા અને આઈ વોઝ ધ લાસ્ટ વન ટુ એન્ટર એન્ડ દેન દે ક્લોઝડ ઇટ. સો સેલ્યુટ ટુ યોર ડેડિકેશન યુ એન્ડ વી.
Happy birthday, Haim.
May this year be full of surprises, opportunities, and blessings for you. This is a new chapter of your life that begins today.
Yeah, good luck और many more years to come. Have a blast. Just ये साल आगे के आने वाले सारे साल. Have fun with Hazel and Hiral.
Bye.
मजे करो.
Happy
Bye.
birthday again.
Enjoy.
I am happy 40th birthday. Hopefully you have a lot of fun time today so far, and with virus things going on right now, we are not able to meet. But hopefully later in the year we'll have a lot of grand celebration for everybody's 40th birthday this year, including myself. And in upcoming years, hopefully you'll have a lot of opportunities in your hand, and we will see you becoming a principal engineer next year.
શાહબુદ્દીન રાઠોડ એક જીવલા અને જાદવજીની વાત કરે છે કે આ જાદવજી એકવાર જીવલાને ત્યાં આવે છે અને જીવલો એ જુએ છે કે કઈ રીતે કામ કરતો હોય અને એના શેઠની સાથે એકદમ ઉદ્ધતેથી વાતો કરતો હોય છે. એટલે ભાઈ જાદવજી પણ ઘરે જઈને એવું ટ્રાય કરે છે. એ પોતાના શેઠની સાથે ઉદ્ધતેથી વાત કરે છે, છાપું મંગાવે કે એક દાડો છાપુની વાંચો શું થઈ જશે. અને પછી આવું થાય એટલે જાદવજીના શેઠ એને નોકરીમાંથી કાઢી મૂકે છે. તો જાદવજી બીજા દાડે જીવલાને ત્યાં આવે છે કે ભાઈ મેં તારા જેવો રોફ કરવાનો ટ્રાય કર્યો તો મને તો નોકરીમાંથી કાઢી મૂક્યો. એટલે ત્યારે જીવલો કહે છે કે ભાઈ ભલા માણસ સમજી વિચારીને કરવું જોઈએ ને, આ બેચર શેઠ તો બેરા છે જેમને ત્યાં હું કામ કરું છું. એટલે હેમે એક વખત મને આ રીતે જાદવજી જેવી હાલત કરેલી. એપ્રિલમાં અબાઉટ કપલ યર્સ અગો અમે આ રીતે ઇન્ટેલ કેફેટેરિયામાં બેઠા છીએ અને ટેક્સ સિઝન ચાલુ છે અને પીપલ હેવ સ્ટ્રેસીસ, મારે પણ ટેક્સ ફાઇલ કરવાનો જ મેં કર્યો નથી. અને હેમ ગોસ કે એમાં કંઈ ફરક નથી પડતો, એણે છેલ્લા 2 વર્ષથી ફાઇલ નથી કર્યો અને જસ્ટ ટેક ઇટ ઇઝી, યુ ડોન્ટ ઇવન હેવ ટુ ફાઇલ ફોર એક્સટેન્શન. એટલે મારો સ્ટ્રેસ એકદમ ઓછો થઈ ગયો, બધું થઈ ગયું. હવે થોડા ટાઈમ પછી અમે ફરી વખત કેફેટેરિયામાં મળ્યા અને આફ્ટર ફ્યુ મંથ્સ અને વાતમાં ટેક્સની વાત નીકળી. And then I mentioned that I may owe some taxes. And him goes like, man, you need to be serious. હું tax file નથી કરતો, but I pay more than I owe. So I expect a refund. But if you owe taxes, you want to make sure you pay right away because otherwise there'll be penalty and a lot more risk. You don't want to take that risk. And so that That was an inspirational experience, and that motivated me. I filed my taxes, and him, I wish you all the best, and I wish going forward you file all your taxes on time. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Ham!
Big boss!
Party udhar hai. I'm all prepared. I'll take few shots on tomorrow. We should do a Zoom short party, but the real outdoor party is udhar.
महादेव की सौगंध, अगर ये कोरोना नामक कीटाणु की वैश्विक महामारी न फैली होती तो हम सब सखा आपके अणु परमाणु को कोरोना नामक मधुद्रव्य में तरबतर करके आपके जन्म दिवस का महोत्सव मनाते। पर अभी आप अपनी कुटीर में अपनी भार्या डॉली भाभी और अपनी पुत्री हेजल के साथ बैठकर शीतल जल का आचमन करें और स्वादिष्ट फलों और व्यंजनों का और हमारे ये संदेश का आनंद ले, ऐसी हमारी आपसे नम्र विनंती है।
Is when you lost your wallet at the Yellowstone gas station. I'm sure you remember that. And you just walked away with, got the gas and walked away. And halfway to Grand Teton, you realize that you don't have your wallet. And oh my God, Arpit and Sejal were with us, and a lot of folks were ahead of us, and we were behind. And I got upset and I got angry at you. How could you do that? It's so irresponsible. And you were on the way to Grand Teton. You were calling all these different banks to try and cancel your credit cards. And because of the poor network, low connectivity, you could only reach a few. And I, on the other side, was thinking like, how could you do that? It was just so not, it was just so bizarre that you left your wallet behind. And I was very, very, very upset and very, in a way, scared and panicking in literal sense. And I remember you holding my hands and like literally like giving me a pause and telling me like, it's okay, honey, it's not the end of the world. And I was like, hold on, what did he just say? He said, okay, it's not the end of the world. And it's true. That kind of stayed with me, it struck me, it stayed with me even till today. I do think that it's not the end of the world. I can do this. I can get through it. So thank you so much for being the positivity source for me, for Hazel, for our family. It's it's not the end of the world, even though Corona feels like that.
And he sleeps anywhere. He can sleep anywhere in between, like hundreds of people around him. He can sleep.
Power nap. Yeah.
Power naps. I love that about him. And he's a night person just like me. He's an ideal brother. He forgets things like me. And good things I've learned from him is I learned car driving from him. He was very patient. Once I used the accelerator instead of the brakes. Calm. He didn't say a thing. I hit his car in the pole. His new car. He also makes very nice Italian food, and the chole is the best.
I can second that.
And another funny thing is during college times he used to forget his he has an exam next day, and I had to remind him. That was funny. Who does that?
Ja. I'm eagerly waiting to celebrate your 40th birthday on our camping trip. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ham.
40th birthday to him.
Uncle.
Stay
Safe and
stay healthy. Bye bye.
He has been host of too many of our parties,
So that's good thing. Thanks for that, Hem. Like a lot of wild parties at Hem's residence. Yeah. Another funny thing I remember is one time when we moved to our new house here from apartment. Hem was there for moving, right? He was there. He was moving stuff and everything. And so he knew that we moved. But the next day next week we planned to play tennis. So I asked him, "Can you pick me up?" And Hem went to the apartment and he was standing outside the apartment. And I was like waiting 5-10 minutes. Why are you not here? Then I called him up. He said, "Hey, I'm outside." I went outside. I checked all the cars outside and I didn't see him. Then we realized, hey, he's at the apartment waiting for him. So this went on for like 10-15 minutes. So that was kind of a funny incident. So enjoy your quarantine birthday. Once this is over, we'll kind of have a big bash. So enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Happy
How
birthday
you want to say
again.
happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Once again, happy birthday! Woo!